Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Saxena. Today we'll discuss about one of the very important and very nice topic, that is very common topic, that is hacking. And in this way I will discuss about the types of hacker, the person who are doing the hacking. But before going deep into the hacker, the type of hacker, I just want to tell you what is the hacking. Hacking is simply refer to the to misuse a device like computer, the smartphones, tablets, or cause damage to a network, or to corrupt system, gather information on user, or we can say ki steal data, information, and documents of any person, of any organization without his or her knowledge, without his or her permission. So these is called hacking. In simple way we can say that to steal something, some important documents of anyone or any organization, is called as hacking. So generally this hacking has been done by the person, someone, and that person and that individual will be is called as a hacker. I can say that hacking, the term hacking was first appeared in the year 1970s. If I talk about the history of the hacking, so now I will start. Who is a hacker? Hacker can be anyone, you or me, anyone. Okay, but basically the I can say that the hacker is a person with having a very good knowledge or technical knowledge about the different programming language. A person who enjoys learning details of programming language or a system. A person who enjoys actually doing the programming rather than just theorizing about it. A person who is capable of um appreciating someone else hack is called is a hacker. A person who picks up programming quickly, a person who is an expert at a particular programming language or system. So we can just say yeah, I know hacking is a crime in our country, but that doesn't mean the hacker is simply a thief and a bad guy or something. The person who is doing the hacking is like a very knowledgeable person who is having a deep knowledge about the programming and all that. Okay, so we can say that a hacker is not always a bad person, but sometimes it is good as well. We see how. So basically we have three types of hacker. The one is black hat hacker, the second one is white hat hacker, and the third one is the gray hat hacker. I'll tell you what these types of hacker are actually about. So the first one is the black hat hacker or cracker. We also say is cracker. We say this, the black hat hackers are the bad guys. Okay, they are the individual with extraordinary computing skills resorting to malicious or destructive activities. Why we call them a bad guy? Because they used to do the destructive activities, they used to harm someone, they used to steal anybody's data or information for their personal gain. So these are called the black hat hackers, or it is a bad guy. They go out of their way to discover vulnerabilities in computer systems and softwares to we can say exploit them, or for some financial gain, or for more malicious purposes, such as to gain reputation, to carry out some corporate espionage, or as part of a nation state hacking campaign. So basically these black hat hackers are doing the hacking or stealing anybody's information, data, for a purpose, for the financial gain, for their own benefits. Okay, that's why these are called the black hat hackers or the bad guys. Next we have the white hat hackers. So these white hat hackers has been called as a good guy who attempt to prevent the success of uh, black hat hackers through proactive hacking. So white hat hackers are actually those individuals or professing professional hackers, who is having the skills and using them for defensive purpose. The see like we can say the black hat hackers are doing the hacking for their individual purpose for some financial gain, but these white hat hackers are actually the good persons or good guys who protect the system, who protect us from the bad guys, that is the black hat hackers. Some even companies also hire hackers to protect their system, to protect their for the security purpose of their system or of their company. So these guys are called as the white hat hacker. This means that the white hat hackers use their knowledge and skill for the good of others and for the common good. So they are also doing the hacking, but they are protecting us. They are protecting us from the black hat hackers, and they have been also been recruited by the companies to protect their system, to protect for their security, and all these things. So these are called the white hat hackers. Now the third category, that is the gray hat hackers. These are individuals who work both offensively and defensively at various times. See, gray hat hackers sit somewhere between the good and the bad guys. Okay, unlike black hat hackers, they attempt to violate standards and principles, but without intending to do harm or gain financially. Their actions are typically carried out for the common good. Like, for example, they may exploit a vulnerability to raise awareness that it exists. But unlike white hat hackers, they do so publicly. This alerts malicious actor to the existence of the vulnerability. And these guys will lie between the black and the white hat hackers. They are good and they are bad as well. We cannot predict their behavior. Sometimes they use their skills for the common good, while in some other times they use their skills for their personal gains. So these lie between the two, the bad guys and the good guys. So these are called the gray hat hackers. So these are the three categories, that black hat hacker, white hat hacker, and the gray hat hackers. They are the person with a very good technical and programming skills, and they use their skills. Bad guy use their skills to steal information, for doing the bad, for just giving any losses to any company or something. The white hat hackers use their knowledge for some good purpose, and the gray hat hackers are lie between the bad and the good guys both. So these are the three categories of the hackers that are existing nowadays, and this is all about the hackers. So I hope you guys have understood it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.